Hello, everyone. If this is your first time, please do kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you about that. So please, in my last class, I said I'm going to change the values, change the scores of each of these subjects. But when I was doing that, I realized that something is happening, and I decided to put it back so that I will do the editing in this particular video so that we'll do it together. What I mean is this. So when I try to change the values in mathematics now, let's say for example, Bienvenue to enter. Oh, let me just reduce the score. Um, let me just reduce the score now. You will see everything is working perfectly, more especially the total is working, is okay, it's updating itself, but the position have an issue. So, and that is that is why I wanted to bring your mind so that we'll fix it together. What you're going to do at this particular point in time is you click on the first position, just you look at the formula. What does that mean? What we're doing in the position was to rank according to the total. So this total was 0.05. So O5 dollar sign O. It's supposed to be O, not F. So I will delete that F and put O. Dollar sign O, dollar sign 5, dollar sign O again here. Say dollar sign 14. Then you press enter. If you press enter, you copy the formula for the rest of the position. This is how you fix it. So this is how you fix it, because what happened was when I copied English subject, I pasted it somewhere. The position is still using the reference in the English position. You see, this one is F. It's supposed to be using X. So that is why I said you watch my videos, my previous videos, so that you understand the concept of this cell address. Why I quickly understood what really happened is because I know how my cells work. So if anything happened, first I would reference. I will start looking at what happened to the cell. Am I even using the real cell address that I supposed to use? Yes or no? That is a question. So even if I come to verbal now, I change value. You see, it will be having the same issue like in maths. Like in maths. Now you see, I have the same issue. Why? Because the formula in the position is still using the reference F. It's still referring to F. It's not supposed to use F. Since this one is X5, it's supposed to say dollar sign X, dollar sign 5, 2, dollar sign X, dollar sign 14. You press enter. You copy the formula for the rest of the student. So please try and change the values, please, before we continue with the class. Try and do the same thing. I'll do it for the last time on the third or fourth subject, that is quantitative. Oh, I have here, sorry, please, sorry. Now on the quantitative, I will try again, but this time around I will do it in a slow motion so that you people will understand what really happened. First, let me change the scores. It's not supposed to be over 20. It should be 20 or less than 20. Let me put 19. I can leave my own as 20. I can leave this one as 20. This one. Then press enter. Now, after you change the value, as you are changing the value, the total is changing automatically. The total doesn't have problem, because if you click on the total, you see it's using the cell address here. See, AD to AF. You see, AD to AF5. So it's still using the same cell addresses. But the position, we're supposed to use AG. You see, AG5, comma, it's supposed to be dollar sign AG here, dollar sign 5, 2. The last one, dollar sign AG. Please, I want you to be mindful. Make sure you understand what I'm doing here, because if you didn't understand it, there's no way you will have the same thing that I have, the same value that I have. So please understand, the rank is supposed to In subject, when we are trying to find the position in subject, we are going to use the total of that particular subject. That is what we are doing. Position in a subject we are doing now, not position in the whole class. It's a position in the subject. So in this particular subject, quantitative, the position, for you to run the function to find the position, you're going to look at what is the cell address of the first person's total. Cell address of the first person's total. So the cell address is AG5. So you see, you type equals to rank, open bracket, AG5, comma, $ AG, $5. Just as we did in the English. Column, that is 2, $AG, $14. The last one is 14. You see, it's 14. So, comma, then 0. Then you press enter. Please and please try and do this. This thing caught my attention. That is why I came back to make this particular video in order to correct it. So before you move into the cumulative sheet, make sure you do this in the subject and you understood what really happened and your own is working. Make sure it's working. If it's not working, please try and write it there on the comment section. I will, even if it means personally, I will talk, we'll call each other, I will explain everything to you. I'm ready to do that. So make sure you watch this particular video and try it. Make sure it's working. So if you I'll keep on saying this. If you find this video very interesting, you don't know who you are helping. I don't know who I'm helping. I don't know how many people are watching this particular video. But all I am feeling within my heart and my soul is I am fulfilled that yes, I did this and I kept it for someone, because so many people did the same video. They store it or they save it on the cloud on the YouTube, and I watch it and I develop myself from those videos that I watch. I don't even know them. I don't even from where they are coming from. I don't even know how they came about. But I watched their videos and I learned. So I so much believe that once I'm doing this particular video, so many people that are passing through the same challenges that I used to pass will see this as just let's say a blessing. Please, if you want to share this particular video, you can like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people that are like you on the internet. So please, if you don't understand this, please write it on the comment section. I promise, this is a promise. I promise, whenever I see a comment on the on my video asking about how to explain, it's a promise. This is my word. I will reach out to you and we'll do that and we'll make sure everything is working perfect. So thank you for keeping in touch. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Let me press enter and then fix everything. Select the position, click on and copy the rest of the formula. So this is how I'll fix it. Well, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.